Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the ignition switch fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So where you can guys expect to find the ignition switch fuse, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, but some of them are extremely hidden. We have a special video on our channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion, check it out. Now here guys, we need to open the driver door, and here you see that lower section of the dash right here. It extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It has 4 clips, one here, one there, 2 like that on the other side. Grab from the top, pull to the bottom, opens on a hinge. Deep inside the dash on the left side guys, you're going to find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, for the ignition switch, which fuse we need to check? It's just one fuse. Let's zoom in a little bit. Now guys, you see those double fuses? Okay, those could be so hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of somewhere of nowhere. So keep some spare ones guys, because you can have really hard time finding those. You have fuse numbers listed next to the fuses, and the fuse that we need to check for the ignition switch, it's fuse number 18, but that's actually fuse number 17 and 18. This is a double fuse, but that portion here, that's for the ignition switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.